Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide basic profile information Alibaba application on computer. So how to hide basic profile information Alibaba application on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Alibaba application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Alibaba. Just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many options. Tap this profile icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. And then tap the account menu. Many menu options will appear like this. Tap the privacy settings menu. Here you are already in the privacy menu. Here there are lots of menus. In the basic information section, tap hide. After finishing scrolling down, and tap save. This feature functions to hide basic profile information, such as name, location, or contact details. So that's it, tutorial how to hide basic profile information Alibaba application on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.